everybody, today I'm going to show you how to organize your hair accessories.
I'm not giving up now, you know. So tell me, can you see me now? Rising above, and nothing's stopping me now.
I have to organize all of these. These are the organizers that my mom made. I'm gonna put my headbands and bows on these organizers. If you wanna see how my mom made these, check our other channel. The link is down below. Let's get started. I'm gonna start putting the fancy headbands on this organizer. This one, I like it because it's yellow and it has a flower on it. Also yellow. This next one is pink and the flower I think is magenta. This next one is gray but with a blue flower. I love the color blue. This next one are kitty cat ears, but pink, like Pink Panther. This other headband is also kitty ears, but black instead of pink. This next one, I don't know which animal it is, but I love it because it's gold with glitter. This next one, which is the last one in the fancy category, is a crown headband. I love the heart. Well, those are all the headbands in the fancy category. This, I'm gonna put it in the next organizer. Next, these headbands. They have a bow knot. I'm gonna put them next to the crown. Next, this Day of the Dead headband. It has flowers that are pink, purple, and yellow. I'm gonna put it next to these headbands. Next, these black kitty cat ears. They're black like the other ones, but they're not fuzzy. I'm gonna put these right here. For this unicorn headband, my mom is gonna put flowers on it because it's too simple. I'm gonna put this one next to the kitty cat ears. Next is this LOL Diva headband. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it right here next to the unicorn. Next is this cupcake headband. It has a little strawberry on the top. I'm gonna put it right next to the LOL Diva headband. Next is my favorite one, another cupcake headband. My mom made this one. Look at the sparkles on top. They look like sprinkles. And this mini cupcake. I'm gonna put this one next to the other cupcake headband. The last headband on this organizer is this St. Patrick's headband. I like it because it's the color green and it has a gem there. I'm gonna put it right next to the cupcake headband that my mom made. This is a rose gold Minnie Mouse headband. I'm gonna place it right here. on the next organizer. Next is the Sleeping Beauty headband that my mom made. Pretty, isn't it? I'm going to place it right next to the Minnie Mouse ones. Next is this Halloween pumpkin headband. It has a green bow on top. My mom also made it. I'm going to place it right here. Next is this birthday girl headband. It's pink and gold. I'm gonna put it right next to the Halloween headbands. Next is this Easter bunny headband. I like it because it has pink glitter on it. I'm gonna put it right next to the birthday girl headband. Next is this other Easter bunny headband. It's fuzzy and it has a crown on top. I like it, it's so pretty. I'm gonna put it right next to the other Easter bunny headband. Next are these reindeer headbands. It's gold with a red bow and white fuzz. I'm gonna put it right next to the Easter bunny headbands. Next is this Minnie Mouse headband that my mom made for Christmas. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it right next to the reindeer one. Next is this Christmas tree headband. I like it because it has glitter and the star. I'm gonna put it right next to the Minnie Mouse headband. And finally is this elf headband. I like it because it's fuzzy and it has a red bow. I'm gonna put it right next to the tree headband. They look beautiful, organized. Now let's start with the hair bows. Let's start with the big ones. Done. Look how beautiful they look. These are some of my favorite necklaces. I like this one because it's a heart. I like the colors and the star. You can open the heart. Inside the heart is the color silver. This next one is for Valentine's Day. It says XOXO. This next one, I love it because it's gold with a heart, with a flower. The flower is purple, my favorite color. This next one, I like it because it has Rainbow Dash, my favorite character from My Little Pony. This is my favorite one because my friend Susan gave it to me. I have the best part and she has the friend part. That equals best friends. I like the gem in the bottom. And this is a Christmas bracelet. Jingle bells. And this is how I organize my necklaces and bracelets. My favorite one is this one because it makes me feel like a Parisian girl. these are some of my hats. This is my favorite one. And this is how I organize my accessories. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!